Logarithms. Evaluate A. Log 7 base 6. Another one is log 72.4 base 8. 2. Show that log b squared base a multiplied by log a to the power 3 base b is equal to 6. So join me as we crack this one. So, number one A. How do we show that log? So we are evaluating, we're not showing, but this one. How do you evaluate? Well, look at this. It's not easy to express it in those, basic logarithms. So what we do, we are going to apply what we call the change of base. All right, we apply the change of what? Base formula. And if you know the formula for change of base, it means you are transforming this logarithm to a new base. All right, new base. Okay, so that base will, let's call it c, but the rest you maintain. Now this base c is a base that you can easily work around with. You pick which base you need. In most cases we just pick base 10 because it's the easier one to work around with. So we have log 7 base 6 can be transformed to log 7 base 10 and log 6 base what? 10. So the base 10 in this case, it will help us. And this log 10 is just called LG7 and we just call it LG6. And just go punch on the calculator if you want. You can punch this on the calculator by saying ln. Alright, you punch ln 7 over ln 6. You should be able to get something like 1.09. So when you round it off, 1.09. So instead of writing log 10, just write LG7, which is natural logarithm, which is ln. So same thing applies to B. Okay, same thing applies to B because we're just trying to evaluate. So you change the base if you know that what you've been given is not easy to work around with. So this one can be changed to log 72.4 base what? 10 and log what? 8 base what? 10. This will just be LG 7.4 over LG what? 8. Should be able to give you something really nice. Okay, it's giving you 2.06 when I round it off. So yeah, that is a thing. Number 2 is we are verifying that log, okay, which is like a that b to the power 2 multiplied by log of a to the power 3 then base b, they're saying is equal to 6. So here we are going to, here is what we're going to do. As a power, this one can drop, we know that line, so 2 can drop here so that we can have this. We can have this b here, then a multiplied by, even this 3 can drop, but we can have this here, b here, and what? A. So you need to show that, so we have gotten the left hand side. But look at this. Here the base is a and here the base is b. So we can't multiply them. Are we there, right? So how do we multiply them? We need to make the bases the same. How do we make the bases the same? So to make the bases the same, we reciprocate one of these. So we can reciprocate this one. So we undergo what? Reciprocate this one. So 2, all right, log b base a multiplied by 3. We reciprocate this one. We have 1 over log. Once we reciprocate this one, it now changes to base a, then be like that. That's how it is. All right. Then you can see that and that. You can cancel them. Then you remain with what? 3 and what? 2, which will give you what? 6. So the left hand side is equal to the right what? Hand side. You can now say verified or shown. Thank you so much. So follow for more, and tutorials are in progress. Please find this as a chance for you to clear mathematics and physics as well as chemistry. Inbox me.